today I'm going to break it down step by step for creating an actual creative ad using AI, ideation to production in less than 40 minutes. So let's dive right in. First of all, we need to use an LLM. We use LLM to create scripts, narration, text, and all of that. You could use the LLM to bounce ideas back and forth with your favorite AI. I'm using Claude. You could use ChatGPT, whatever works for you. And that's step number one. Once we know all of the scenes that we need to have in the video, then we need to pick the AI tools that we're going to work with. Sometimes you need to do face swap for different images of people. Sometimes you need to have a very, very specific product. So maybe you want to train a Flux LoRa and then create the image with file or replicate. So there are many different tools you could use, and everything starts with the idea. So first of all, bounce your ideas back and forth with the LLM, then move to your favorite AI tools. Then you could use the animation tools. Some people use Luma Labs, Kling. I specifically like to use Runway. That will be the tool that I'll be using today. Once you have all of your assets in place and your images and your videos and so on, and the music and the narration, you could combine all of them using an editing software. I used Premiere. It's a classic software by Adobe. Not too much AI in that, but it's just helpful to combine all of the assets in one place using that. I'll start with the story. So the story starts with the fact that my friend Shai reached out to me and told me, hey, what do you think about creating AI ads for this company? They're doing movings. So then we bounced back and forth ideas about what type of ads we could create, and we came out with two different ideas. One idea was to create a very crazy monologue of fridge talking to a toaster. So let me just show you real quick what I mean.
Moving day. We're all gonna be wrapped up, boxed, shipped.
Relax, it's all good. Budget Van Lines has got us covered.
Okay, so basically what happened here, I had this dialogue created by Claude, by an LLM, and then I created the images using Midjourney, and I told Runway what text I want to use, and basically it animated those images as characters.
Really? No more bubble wrap nightmares?
In that image, I just told Runway, hey, I want the toaster to catch fire, and that's what happened.
Trust me, they're pros. We'll be in our new pad before you can say frozen waffles.
Maybe this move won't be so bad after all.
Just remember, little dude, stay cool and you'll never get burned. Unlike some toasters I know.
Budget Van Lines, don't get burned, get moved.
Okay, so I used 11 Labs to do the narration here, created the logo and so on. The second one was a bit different. For that, animated different images that had the logo of this company.
Yo, listen up. It's time to make a move. Budget Van Lines got the budget-friendly groove. Pack your stuff, we'll handle the rest. Coast to coast, we're simply the best.
Shorter, simpler, and basically what we had here is also an AI song in the background that was created also by Claude. Two different commercials, each took maybe 40 minutes. Today I'll show you a step-by-step guide to create one of them the way I think creatively when approaching a project like that. And let's dive in. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, put that ring button, so you'll learn from me how to do this kind of stuff. So today for this project, what we're going to do is to create a commercial for a company that have different furniture for gardens. Let's imagine that this company is named Zaga. So what we're going to do is to brainstorm ideas for garden furniture commercial for this company. I will tell the LLM that Claude, in this case, I want to create a script for an ad. The company name is Zaga, dining tables, chairs, and so on. Theme would be the hosting experience. Asking the LLM to ideate, to brainstorm with me. And okay, so the first idea is the perfect gathering. And nice. The scene is a beautifully set dining area with Zaga furniture, split screen showing two hosts preparing. I don't like the split screen at all. Okay, so I'm completely changing directions here. This is what I tell the LLM, think outside of the box. And what we see here, backyard, magic hour, beautifully landscaped backyard transition from day to night, at its center a large Zaga dining table. Okay, so I like the first idea of like a time lapse where like There's one location and many different people. So the way I would probably choose to do it is to create one scene with Midjourney, and then in the Runway I will just animate it in like different ways. Like I would say to the video, turn it to night. It might be a bad idea, but let's see what we will able to do. So I will tell it, please create an image gen prompt of the elegant backyard in the magic hour, and then I will just turn it into something using Midjourney. So stunning, expensive bed, This is so long. So let's just say magic hour. When I use Midjourney, I like to run many prompts in the same time. So magic hour background, good table and chairs, magic hour, huge backyard, magic hour, lovely backyard, blah blah blah. Great. So let's give it a spin, and it's square, so I'll change it to landscape so it will be more convenient. And I think this one is not bad, but I like to turn it to landscape and not to square. Great. So I think like we have some cool concepts over here already. Perfect. So what we have here is basically a good start. I'm going to log into my Runway, play around with it to create that kind of interesting time-lapse idea of like one backyard with one table and a lot of different situations. Let's see if that would work. Okay, so I'm saving this image right now. I want to generate this image. Now we say something like day turn to night. Okay, we could run few in the same time. Summer turn to winter or something like that. Okay, that's an interesting concept. I think I could live with it. Kind of zoomed out first, so I don't like that, but maybe I could cut it right here and see how the day turn to night. I think I have here the first image. That's great. Let's see what we have here. Here, actually nothing. Okay, that was a really bad generation. Let's call it freezing winter. Okay, this one looks way better. So this is summer to winter. Let's also have this one and call it day turn to night. Let's generate it. We have around 3-4 scenes, which I believe it's a good start. Probably around 10-15 seconds video. So what I would like LM right now to do is please create a very short narration for an ad like that. Great. So I created also the narration for it in the meantime. Okay, nice. I have like a sunset going on here. Then day turned to night. Starting to have some assets here I could possibly work with. And now I have the narration. Day turns to night, seasons come and go, but some things remain timeless. Great, I don't think it's bad at all. Let's try to go to 11 Labs, which is the tool that I'm using in order to create a narration for my videos. Okay, let's generate it real quick.
Day turns to night, seasons come and go, but some things remain timeless. Zaga, enduring quality, timeless style.
Not bad. Okay, maybe we could just create another one where we just type in family gathering. So I'm generating this. I'll probably generate like few more animations using this. Now I'll go to Suno in order to create my sound. Okay, so let's create something romantic piano uplifting. The name, let's keep it instrumental. Let's call it the backyard party. Romantic music uplifting. So now I'm creating also the background music using Suno. So let's let it generate. Okay, pick this image, and I'm not going to give it any prompt. I just want to create some kind of a movement in this image. So let's just generate like a 5 seconds video. Let's see my music for now. Okay, let's keep it for now. And great, so it's still generating. Going back to my Midjourney, going back to my family gathering. It looks like a painting. I don't like that one. Okay, this one is not bad. For some reason I'm getting like paintings and stuff. I don't want paintings. Realistic stock image. We're almost there. I could feel it. We're almost there. We need to generate one more prompt and we'll get there. So in the meantime, I'm going to open my Premiere. I'm just going to drop all of the assets in one place. The narrator, the images, the videos, the song. I'm just going to compose all of them in one place. Okay, this one is not bad. Let's go with the romantic date this time. Okay, so this one I'm also just going to go with it, no prompts, just create some movement in this image, and that will be more than enough. Now this is my premiere. Let's go for a new project, a new ad for Saga. And now I'm just going to drop, first of all, we have the music, then we have the narrator. Now we're going to add the images, the videos, sorry. So let's do this one, let's do the winter one, let's do the sunset one, and let's take the one with the kids. Perfect. Now let's put the song. The narrator would be here too. And also let's just slice it up real quick. Let's turn down the music. Okay, let's move it a bit back. This is now the magic of editing, right? But for now, this is what we have after like maybe 20 minutes of work. This is, you know, the disruption of the ads in this industry. Let's check it out real quick. Make it a bit louder.
Day turns to night, seasons come and go, but some things remain timeless. Zaga Furniture, you're constant in a changing world for every moment in every season. Zaga, enduring quality, timeless style.
Okay, so obviously we could add the logo of Zaga right here in the left side. We could cut things in a nicer, more smooth way and have something that looks a bit better, but that's the start. That's my approach to create a creative AI ad, quite simply. Now, I'm not saying that it's perfect, but I will say that if you invest maybe few more hours just with better prompts, better brainstorming, better, more creative, more narration, you'll actually have a tangible ad that instead of having a production day, you could just create it like that. Simple editing skills, simple prompting skills, and voila, there you have it, an actual ad. So that's about it for today. That's how you use these AI tools in order to create ads, and that's quite great. I wonder how the next Super Bowl commercial is going to be generated using AI and what other people are going to do with it. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'd love to answer them. That's about it. See you in the next video. It was great. Ciao.